In this video we are going to make an spicy carrot chutney, which is good along with chapatis and dosas. For this you need 1 cup of small onion, finely sieved carrot, and coconut smally chopped. For masala you need fenugreek seeds, coriander powder, pea-sized tamarind. And finally for flavor curry leaves, coriander leaves and red chili. First heat the dava in the stove. Once it's hot add small onion and coconut pieces. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Odorless oil is recommended, so that you can get the flavor of carrot. Cook it until the onion is half golden. Then add the sieved carrot and cook it for some more time until the rawness of carrot disappears. Then add salt as per taste. For spicy flavor add fenugreek seeds, coriander powder and pea-sized tamarind. You may think it will be sweet in taste, but I assure you that it will be mixture of sweet and spicy, which is a wonderful combination for different items. It's the final and most important thing, add spicy red chili, coriander and curry leaves. That's all, grind this into a paste. Our spicy carrot chutney is ready. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos. Until bye.